Oh boy, this shit bang.
Need me the Louis V hot steppers, makes them all jealous. I got expensive taste. Gas pack, loud weed, smoking, I'm waking the neighbors. People too quick to change. When I see I got my change up, I see the ones the same. My brothers, they my day ones. They do anything for a $1. This a hit of the coochie. I stay with my guys, it's never a problem. Shit always look like a movie. I stay in the booth, I'm never outside. I stay on my grind and do me. Don't hit on my line and feed on my dimes. The bread, the butter, or blue cheese.
I need the cheese, bread, cake, cash. Walking this bitch blowing straight gas. Bitch, I need that check fast. She give me neck and I jet dash. Been up on Nike and heavy bags. High the time I got jet lag. She want me to come stretch that. He got problems, get hit bag, toe tag, so sad. I do not dwell on this shit, I just wet him, forget him. I'm chillin', I'm jealous, trying to get some more jealous, but ready with left for the pressure. Put you on the stretcher, you could get your head touched if I feel like sending a message. Niggas no heart, they robotic and they gon' say no. Automatic like a Tesla. Cushion the blues every yo that I touch. If a nigga get down, that should make me feel better. I need the dough like the mountain, the rap, and I'm out for the cheese, the whiz, the cheddar. She on the knees, she please me, yes sir. Catching my kids in your new sweater. She want the binge, she saying I'm better. Her and the friend gon' link the header.
Need me the Louis V hot steppers, makes them all jealous. I got expensive taste. Gas pack, loud weed, smoking, I'm waking the neighbors. People too quick to change. When I see I got my change up, I see the ones the same. My brothers, they my day ones. They do anything for a $1. This a hit of the coochie. I stay with my guys, it's never a problem. Shit always look like a movie. I stay in the booth, I'm never outside. I stay on my grind and do me. Don't hit on my line and feed on my dimes. The bread, the butter, or blue cheese. I heard me the W, I got me the roller, and now I just want me the Benz. I give me the bag, I'm flipping the pack. Said if you don't work, you don't win. My shit don't hide no fan. Really, I don't think they understand. I'm steady, I'm counting ends. People I'm right, gotta make they win. Never settle for less, so give me the big bag. I need extra, hustle hard, big steppers. Remember times I wanted better, but really ain't know any better. Get back, put your get back. Need them blue cheese for the feta. We gon' spin back in your bitch ass. No, I'm out of line on my mental. Ooh, Steezy, hop on the roof. My brother the demon is ready, no telling what he gonna do. Say we want the green for, now we want the blues. I pray that my family gon' get it regardless. I won't let them get in and lose it. Need me the Louis V hot steppers, makes them all jealous. I got expensive taste. Gas pack, loud weed, smoking, I'm waking the neighbors. People too quick to change. When I see I got my change up, I see the ones the same. My brothers, they my day ones. They do anything for a $1. This a hit of the coochie. I stay with my guys, it's never a problem. Shit always look like a movie. I stay in the booth, I'm never outside. I stay on my grind and do me. Don't hit on my line and feed on my dimes. The bread, the butter, or blue cheese.
I'm on this one.
Power to my soul, trying to speak what's on my mind. She don't know the pain I hold, cause I don't message all the time. Most my brothers doing time, they really slanging that iron. Drug deals going wrong, my homie died from the fire. I'll give my life for that, put all my trust into my dogs, who he stepping at. Wanna make it out the trap, I really know it takes some time. Yeah, I said who down the slide, trying to keep my moves quiet. Know them ops gon' find the time, yeah. I said it's fuck the other side, yeah. My brother really stepping, we don't care what all they find. We gon' keep our lips shut, I done prove that every time. All these perkies in my pocket got me dreaming of me dying. Inhale, exhale, we feel the burn in our chest. The same type of burn we feel when we be up in the tech. I really let them hollow tips burn right through your neck. Them disrespectful little hoes is really getting they dome checked. Swear that I don't even got no time to myself. It really seems like I should drop out, fuck all the help. I know this shit can change my life, yes, fuck how they feel. They don't understand the moves for now, I keep it concealed, yeah. Power to my soul, trying to speak what's on my mind. She don't know the pain I hold, cause I don't message all the time. Most my brothers doing time, they really slanging that iron. Drug deals going wrong, my homie died from the fire. Mentally exhausted, ever since I started, we all bleed the same blood. And that's some shit you better not forget. Losing touch from typing these messages to my conscience. Need to key back into my heart from when I tossed it. You found it, then ripped it up, tore that shit to pieces. So I'd never trust a single word that I've been hearing. Next time I notice they closed off in appearance. But how am I gonna cope with all the ways that I've been feeling? Baby, heal this wicked pain that's inside of my chest. It's really fucking up my breathing. No, it's filling me with stress. Shawty help me with my feelings. Tired of the antidepressants and all this shit got me singing. Power to my soul, trying to speak what's on my mind. She don't know the pain I hold, cause I don't message all the time. Most my brothers doing time, they really slanging that iron. Drug deals going wrong, my homie died from the fire.
just to say the least. So far from a superstar, and my daydreams are killing me. Feel like I'm losing my mind. I'm never feeling okay. Good days are so hard to find. Just help me numb all the pain. One step from dying. My angels keep it at bay. Can't blame the people for trying. Just let me fall to my grave. Just let me fall to my grave. To kill it. Get losing my stuff. To kill it. Just let me fall to my grave. To kill it. Get losing my stuff. To kill it. Just let me fall to my grave. Heart fails under pressure. Wonder if these bad days will last forever. So pessimistic from the past. All the good things end up in caskets. I'm never feeling okay. Good days are so hard to find. Just help me numb all the pain. One step from dying. My angels keep it at bay. Can't blame the people for trying. Just let me fall to my grave. Just let me fall to my grave. To kill it. Get losing my stuff. To kill it. Just let me fall to my grave. To kill it. Get losing my stuff. To kill it. Just let me fall to my grave.
Two lights in your eyes made me forget about myself. Unreal, never pop to pills and put yourself to sea. Yeah, I better be off. You better get behind the way you love, devoid of energy. Yeah, better bring my song. If you feel like wrong, you anyhow, then get it caught. I wronged you now. Better do the dance for another one. Forever gay, how it's done. I'm in a rush when the lights come on. Cause I ain't the same, so I run away. Couldn't face the pain, so I acted out and overcame. And overcame. And overcame. And overcame. And overcame. Yeah, you stuck with the rhythm of your heart, but it beats too fast, yeah. I wish that I could turn back to the start, rewind the hands and face my past, yeah. Living the now is what you said, I let you down, cause I was late to the party as always. You got me grades, I can't replace you. Another lesson trying to break through. I better be off, you better get behind the way you love, devoid of energy. Yeah, better bring my song. If you feel like wrong, you anyhow, then get it caught. I wronged you now. Better do the dance for another one. Forever gay, how it's done. I'm in a rush when the lights come on. Cause I ain't the same, so I run away. Couldn't face the pain, so I acted out and overcame. And fake tough love, couldn't feel a thing. I still can't, then overcame. Shields me from the worst you say in the dark. I'm at large, my reach goes wide and far. I've got powers in my dreams, but awake and I still can't feel a thing. Pressure with your pressure on me, and I kept deflated, I'm certainly no good for it. But I kept saying and then overcame.
I'm out of my head, out of my mind, oh why? If you let me, I'll be out of my dress and into your arms tonight. Yeah, I'm lost without it. Feels like I'm always waiting. I need you to come get me out of my head and into your arms tonight.
Yeah, I don't mean to make you wait, just the pressure's been getting heavy. I know if I fuck us up, we'll be overdone. You'll forget me. I'm feeling bad that I act this way cause you let me. They call me king, but I know my queen will be there to check me. Last year, was running around 45th looking for Soho. Last night was riding down Rodeo looking for NoHo. It's crazy what can change in a year. Think that you know they'll go back and forth like a yo-yo. They live their life for the photos and see me, I'm acting solo cause I'm afraid to commit. Now can you tell me how I'm different than him? And him, yeah. I know I'm always questioning things like, girl, would you say that love cannot be found inside a vow or a ring? She laughs and says only material things. Those are material things. Imagine buying